In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline project workflows with Smartsheet. We're going to focus on using automation so that repetitive work like status updates and notifications happens for you in the background. By the end, you'll have a workflow built from a template, customized for your project, and ready to save you time. Start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. This should be the sheet where you track your tasks, assignees, due dates, and statuses. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can clearly see your columns and data. It's helpful to quickly scan your sheet and confirm that the key columns you want to automate around, like status or assign to, are already set up. Next, look toward the top of the Smartsheet window and click on the Automation menu. This is your main hub for creating rules that respond to changes in your sheet. Instead of manually emailing people when something changes or moving rows by hand, automation will handle those actions whenever your trigger conditions are met. From the Automation menu, choose the option to create from a template. Templates are a great starting point because they contain best practice logic for common scenarios, like sending alerts when a due date is approaching or requesting approvals when a status changes. You don't have to build everything from scratch. You simply adapt a pattern that already works. In the panel that opens, select the option labeled Create an Automation Workflow from a Template. This will display a gallery of pre-built workflows. You might see things like automated reminders, update requests, or approval flows. Take a moment to scan through and pick the one that best matches what you want, such as a status change notification or an approval request flow. Click on the highlighted template you want to use. When you select it, Smartsheet will show you a preview of the trigger, conditions, and actions. Here you can double-check that it aligns with your process. For example, confirm which column change will trigger the workflow and who will receive alerts or approval requests. Once you've reviewed the details, click on Use Template. This will load the workflow into the editor, where you can adjust specifics like which column values should trigger the workflow, which team members should be notified, and the exact message they'll see. When you're satisfied with those settings, finish by clicking Save. Your automation is now active on your project sheet, helping you reduce manual updates, keep stakeholders informed, and maintain consistent project visibility with far less effort.